Okay, here I'm going to do a quick video. I did one before a while back about tin foil and cleaning chrome, but this is pretty amazing. So I'm going to do it again to show you. So just real quick, if I take a wet rag just to show the sort of the corrosion that's on this, it's tarnished still. It doesn't, you just get a little bit of the muck off. That's it. It's still heavily tarnished. So now if I just take tin foil that I just folded a couple of times, just dip it in the water, just so it's a bit wet. Rub it on there, but you don't even have to put a huge amount of pressure. And you can feel it. It goes really smooth when you're doing it. You can tell if there's any little bits left. And I'll just do one area here and sort of show you what it does, because this is literally amazing. There, let's get this top part too, this side. So you got some corroded rims here that has that tarnish or whatever you want to call it on top of it. And now just literally tin foil. No more chrome polish, no more. On my bike I used to use chrome polish all the time. Never again. A little bit of tin foil. So now I'll just give it a clean, just to wipe off the crud so we can see what we got. Now when you give it a wipe, it's obviously still wet, but you can see that difference night and day. So even, okay, a little bit in the corner there. Didn't get quite, so you can just bend the tin foil to get it in there. Give it a wipe down again. So I'm going to be doing all 4 of my tires here, but this is, I did a test and it's so amazing that I just wanted to show everybody, because this is literally a game changer. So hopefully you can see that. So there's what it did look like. And now look at that difference. The sun's not on it directly, so a little tougher to tell, but trust me, that is like, and there's still some muck on there. It needs to good clean. But that is like brand new chrome shine. So hopefully this is the same for you guys. Use it and enjoy. Awesome. There you go. Like and subscribe, all that good stuff. If it was good information. Okay, so there's a quick sort of, you can go back already. I can see the sun reflecting in spots that wasn't before. There's a quick after. I just went over it quickly. I'm sure I missed a few spots. And I used sort of a bit of a dirty water while wiping it. So I didn't, this isn't like as good as it could be, but look at that. What a difference. Literally night and day to bring back these old rims. Something definitely I'll be doing, where every 2-3 years you just need to get that layer off of them. So there you go. Hopefully that helped. I know it's something I'm gonna be using a lot.